viewers, welcome to the Nermin channel. So if you are new for this channel, please if you can subscribe to my channel. I really need 1000 subscribers in order for me to make sense to continue uploading videos. So my passion is about working with the plants and planting other stuff. So today I'm going to demonstrate for you how can you grow avocado working with the seeds. So what you need, as you can see in front of me, here is already ripe avocados. So you take it one, just like this, and gently slice through the half. You don't want to damage the seed, you just want to gently slice it. As you can see, it's already big seed. So you put this aside, and this is the seed. So what you need to do before you start putting in the water, you want to identify this is the top, this is the bottom where roots. You want to remove it, the shell around. So I will for a moment take some paper towel, clean it, and then remove it. As you can see, I already peel off the skin of the avocado seed. You need to identify this is the top and this is the bottom where root will come. So you need some like a water. Take any plastic or any pot. So you can just drop it inside the water and leave it where is the sun, close to the window where is warm and nice. That's what one of the method. One easiest method, you take some toothpicks and basically just gently pick it like this. And third one like this. And you need to put inside the water like this. Make sure that is half submerged and how some top portion should be above that. So now you put where is a lot of sunlight, and make sure that is if you're growing indoor like myself, that temperature is plus 20 or above. So you will notice over some period of time some of the avocado seeds after 3 to 4 weeks they start cracking from the bottom, and then root will start coming out. And then later it will open the top and start a small plant growing. So I will show you in stages how to work with the avocado seed. So this is for now. In about 4 to 6 weeks I will show you next step. And this is avocado after 6 weeks. As you can see, both of them well progressed, and I would like to show you, but I have to be very careful because that I don't break the root. So this is the root of avocado. This is more than 6 weeks, as you can see. So it's time now to plant. I will show you second one too. Yeah, that's already developed root. So when you see like this, time to plant. So that's how it looks after 6 weeks, and next step I will show you how I plant in the soil. As you can see, I already planted my avocado. Make sure when you take out from the water, as I already shown you, the root is still very gentle and weak, so dig out the root, the soil around, and then put gentle. So do not cover completely with the soil, leave it just like this. As you can see, small already will start sprouting, so make sure to water regularly and put where is a lot of sun. I usually keep it close to the window, and if no enough sunlight, then use artificial. So this is now, I will show you later when it starts growing. Here is about 2 months since I planted my avocado. As you can see, plants grow quite well. It is really look very healthy plant and growing very nicely. That's about 2 months, so I'm very happy with this product. As you can see, growing avocado from the seed, it's just simple and anybody can do it. So if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for your support. Bye.